Alright guys, what does it mean when someone brings some coins to you and say they're giving you some coins? Because why would somebody be giving you some coins? Somebody at work today brought me some coins, about, I don't know, a couple $10 coins, but not a lot, maybe less than $100 or so. So I said, no thanks, I don't want any coins. I said, keep it, man, keep it in your bag, you might need it. Oh boy, these people, keep it, you might need it, some change or something. She didn't even ask me if me have change or if me need change or so. I mean, so I said, no thanks, I don't take money from people. I'm like, these people, the things they come up with. What do you think? Let me know in your comments what you think, right? Alright.